Hey guys, so something people have messaged me a lot are, what are some ideas, what are healthy lunches that you can take to school or work, or what are things you can pack, like what do you do? And it's so easy, like honestly, like leftovers is one of the best things. So packing food for school or uni or work or wherever you have to go is so good because it saves you money. Like the amount of money saves you. Like obviously it's nice to go out and buy lunch with your friends sometimes. But if it's something like work, when you get a work break and you're going often and you're always buying lunch, that's such a waste of money. Like I remember being at work and people in their break would buy lunch and I'm like, you just worked an hour out of like, say you had a 4-hour shift, you got paid for 3 hours because a meal is like $20. So anyway, it's a great way to save money. So packing food. Also, if there's no healthy options, it's really good because sometimes you'll be in places where there's no healthy options. So it's really good that you have something packed that you can have. And it's fun to cook and meal prep, and yeah, there's just so many benefits. But anyway, so what I always do is I always have lots of veggies, a source of protein and a source of carbs. So usually I would just mix some brown rice with veggies and protein, which could be like an egg or tuna or chicken or salmon, and I might just use a can of tuna, or I might just have leftover chicken from dinner or something like that, or I'll boil an egg the night before, and then you just mix that up in a box and there you go, and Bob's your uncle. Or like another thing I like to have is sweet potato, like baked sweet potato with egg and then veggies. And for my meals for veggies, I just use what we have available in the house, and we always have carrot and broccoli, and I just like chop that up. Sometimes you can have raw carrot, but I like to boil that, and then I also put frozen veggies in there. So I'll have like obviously defrosted frozen veggies, but we always have peas, corn, beans in the freezer. And then the other veggies I add is just what we have in the house at the time. So stuff my mum would have bought if it's on sale or if she's gone shopping recently. And that's stuff like, you know, mushrooms, asparagus, lettuce, spinach, cucumber, tomato, capsicum, all of that type of stuff. So they're the type of things that I like to have. And I just, over the last few weeks, filmed a few clips when I was having a packed lunch, like at uni, for example. And then, yeah, I'll show you some of those examples. So they're just some lunch ideas. And yeah. What was I going to say as well? So when I do these things, like for example, when I make like a tuna and rice and veggies, I'll drown it in lemon or lime and heaps of pepper and chili flakes to make it like flavoursome. A lot of the time we'll have leftovers, like my mum does tray bakes a lot of the time, where she just bakes heaps of veggies like capsicum, tomato, Brussels sprouts, and like maybe fish or something, and potatoes, like baked sweet potato, baked potato, and I'll just put those leftovers in a box, and if there's no protein, I'll boil an egg and take that with that. And then I also put some extra veggies, and it's really simple. And yeah, so here are some of the things that I have. So I've got some chicken, all the veggies, broccoli, peas, beans, carrots, snow peas. I'm also going to put some onion in it. And then I have some leftover sweet potato and potato that was baked, and some brown rice, and yeah, a bit of eggplant that was baked. Update, added some onion and mushroom that I put in the pan for a little bit. just packing my lunch for tomorrow, and this is one of my regular type of lunches. So I just have a boiled egg, hopefully soft boiled, I'll find out tomorrow. I have leftover baked potato, so baked sweet potato, and we had some baked veggies, so cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. And then I've got some carrot, broccoli, mushroom, tomato and onion, and some rocket. So I have my egg, and I have heaps of veg, and underneath all of that I have my baked sweet potato. It's all hidden. It's quite a full solid box. Like, there's my baked sweet potato. I have like 3 bits of baked sweet potato, and then packing some snacks. Also, these snacks are not all I'm packing. That would not be enough energy, especially because I have training after. I'm going to be packing other things like the Googie's protein bar, some nuts, and we'll see what else. Alright, just packing lunch for tomorrow. I just have some brown rice, heaps of veggies, some avo and a boiled egg. The usual veggies are some broccoli, snow pea, carrot, peas, corn, beans, tomato, onion, mushroom, sprouts. Yeah, that kills. Doing a little bit of cooking, so I got some veggie sticks. Packing my brekkie for tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video. These are just some tips to have healthy packed lunches when you go to uni or school or work, and hopefully this light wasn't distracting anyone, but if it was, deal with it. And yeah, thanks for watching.